Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Max 3 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find the display. Now let's tap on screen timeout. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, and those are quite short options, quick options, and 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So currently I've got 30 minutes option applied. As you can see, this option is marked. What's more, it was notified before. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you like to use. So I'll pick 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your CUBOT Max 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.